I'm the Confused Ogre, and today I'm going to teach you how to paint some Space Wolf shoulders. Let's get started.
Let's paint.
Okay, so everybody's going to be in a different stage where they're starting with. I start with a black primered base. So here I've already got that pauldron primered, and I am building up a zenithal highlight with a dry brush. We're going to start with that Mechanicus gray, followed by Ulthuan gray, and then finally some white. Once that's dry, pull out some red contrast paint. I'm using this Veil Red, and one coat should give you a nice finished product. Okay, next comes the fun part. Putting the black stripes on the pauldrons. I don't know what they're called. Maybe if one of you guys know or you're big Warhammer fans, let me know. I unfortunately don't follow a lot of Warhammer, I just like to paint it. However, to achieve that box art effect, I just get out some masking tape, cut some little triangle points to it, and randomly shape them around the shoulders. Next, pull out your Abaddon Black and do a little dry brushing. I found that keeping that brush as dry as possible really helps with bleed through. So here you can see I did have a little bit too wet of paint and got some bleed through, but that's okay, we can touch it up. So as you do your whole army, you'll find that a lot of them turn out really nice and that feels good, but some of them need touched up. So if you can scratch off that black or wipe it off still, that works. Otherwise, get a super fine tip brush and just clean up those edges, make it nice and sharp. One of the nice things about these Space Marines is that they always have some battle damage, so I don't get too bent out of shape with things looking exactly perfect. In fact, here I'm going to add some red on top of the black to show some wear. Okay, time to start on the yellow shoulder pad. We're going to be doing the same thing, building up a zenithal highlight, but I'm going to be using a couple different colors. We're starting here with this nice deep pink color, actually. I'm using Mephiston Red and White Scar. And we want this first color to be pretty deep pink, as you can see. Then we'll lighten it up with some more white, get that second layer, and follow it up with our final bright layer with pure White Scar. Okay, the next step is contrast painting with Bad Moon Yellow. A lot of people give contrast paint a bad rap, but I still love it. It's simple and it's easy, and with little prep, it really looks nice. I think this pink undertone gives us the gritty feel on these Space Wolves that we're looking for. And with that, we only have one more step. Grab a fine tip brush and hit the wolf emblem with Abaddon Black. And there you go! Fast and easy Space Wolf shoulders. See ya!